Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinyo GK and I'm so glad to have you here today. So in today's video, I tried something new. I tried something different. I had a video to film today, a book summary, but I didn't just want to sit down to talk about the book. I wanted to show you guys a glimpse of my life, do a little vlog, and later on explain the book. Try to spice things up and let me know if you enjoyed this delivery. So on this day, I was working from home, and when I decided to do some vlogging, I recorded. This is me meal prepping for the next day because the next day I'll be going to the office. So enjoy the vlog and stay tuned because later on I'll explain the summary of the book, So Good They Can't Ignore You by Cal Newport. Enjoy! A random robber came into my kitchen. Filming in the car. I feel like I'm too close. Is this better? Oh, this thing is not easy. I better clean the camera. Anyway, this is me just testing filming in the car. So this is me also attempting to vlog. Let me go. Oh, I don't know what to say. But I'm trying because I don't know what to film this week. So let me just try vlog. I don't have any stand, I don't have anything, but I'm just going to try. So now I'm going to be driving to work and I hope I'm able to film the road while at it soon. Brown skin girl, that's me. Brown skin girl. Chocolate and caramel. The sun kissed you and said, ooh. Can't go see the paradise. Can't go see the paradise. I'm so blue and I'm blue. I love everything around me. Let me tell you guys a very interesting story. And this story is kind of connected to the content of the book that I want to talk about in this video. I remember the first day that I tried driving in a city. By the way, I'm a pretty good driver, if I do say so myself. In fact, I do not say so myself. I get a lot of compliments on my driving. I'm pretty comfortable driving. I drive with just one hand. I'm fast on the road. Like I even love driving. And when I have people in my car, I get that compliment a lot, even from guys, that you're a really good driver. You drive so well. And it makes me laugh whenever that comment comes because I remember the first day I had to drive in a city. I was so scared and overwhelmed by all the cars on the road that I literally parked by the corner and used bike to complete my journey. I can never forget. It was a very funny experience. But I remember that after then, I wanted to be so good at driving. And anywhere any of my friends was going to, I would tell them, please, let me drive you. And I kept driving. I drove a lot of times that I was so good at driving. I put myself in every situation of driving. And how did I do that? I was an Uber driver for a while. And you know what it means to be an Uber driver. You're going to be driving a lot of people to a lot of places. I was driving alongside trailers.
I was in so many situations of driving, and what that means is practice. Literally, I was practicing so many times that when I now moved from Abuja to Lagos, it was not an issue driving in Lagos as well. Because while driving in Abuja, I was driving like but see when they do Uber, I was driving like a man. I had to be fast. I had to understand how to use the map. The lesson from this is that sometimes when I struggle, when I'm learning a skill or learning something new and I struggle, and I remember my driving, the story of my driving. So it links down to the summary of that book. Are you done with your shenanigans? I'm going to put this video for sure. This is me, I'm already at work, and this is my colleague. Continue to enjoy the rest of the vlog as I spend time at work. Hi, I think I'm getting better with this. Girl, I love the way you look. This is me trying to figure out how to vlog in the office. Now, a lot of people have gone, so I'm trying. Anyway, I just want to quickly talk about the book I just finished reading. Do you know that I had to reduce the quality of the video from 4K to HD? Please, in case the quality is not great, I'm struggling with storage. If you have any ideas, please suggest to me. I like that I have enough space to play with. So I just finished reading a book titled So Good They Can't Ignore You by Cal Newport. Let me bring it. So the book is So Good They Can't Ignore You by Cal Newport. Like I said, I just finished reading it. And basically what the book is talking about is follow your passion is bad advice. In fact, it's dangerous advice. He was saying that if you really want to, have a job that you enjoy, you should focus on rare and valuable skills. Let me bring my chair. So let me educate you. Now, if you really want to have a job that you enjoy and you love, I know follow your passion sounds like good advice. Because do you know that I've been talking since and I didn't know that it was not recording because of storage. The struggle is real, guys. Anyway, as I was talking, I was trying to explain this book, what Cal Newport explained in this book. So he said follow your passion is bad advice. And I know that everybody wants to do work that they enjoy, work that they love, work that they'll be very proud of. And that's why follow your passion is a very enticing advice. Nobody just sets out to find their passion first before doing the job. If you're a newly graduated person or you are trying to figure out a career path to follow, this book is saying that you should focus on what you're doing. If the job you have currently is good and valuable, focus on the rare skills that industry has. Try to master it, be good at it, and you begin to call the shots. So guys, I hope this book summary is very helpful to you. I'm sorry, I'm really struggling because the first one I filmed, I lost it and I think I've lost the energy. But we will film regardless. See, we must be consistent. Anyway, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Bye.